Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Barrington Hills, local and long distance movers near me. Our team will make your long distance move easier by offering packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on time move, and upfront pricing. A long distance move is any move of 100 miles or further. We can help you relocate across the country or in just a few states over. And no matter how large or small your move is, we're ready to help you. An Illinois moving company will give you an experienced team for your local move. The right team will offer the services you need to make your move super simple. Even a shorter move can be very overwhelming. You don't need to worry about being overwhelmed with us. 3 Movers offers the best local moving options for your needs. We make the process simple and efficient. Our experienced movers can complete even the largest move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Barrington Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.